Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In this experiment, I'm going to be showing you what happens if you mix baking soda, dish soap, and lime juice together. The original experiment requires lemons, or requests that you use lemons, but I only had limes with me, alright? Now, what you need to do is carefully cut the limes up into quarters, and then you're able to put it into a separate cup. Now, because this is an experiment my school gave me to do, they wanted me to measure how much lime juice came out of the equivalent of 3 lemons or limes, alright? So what I have gotten out of 3 limes was about 1 fluid ounce, 1 US fluid ounce. So I'm going to put that to the side right there. Okay, now, since I turned off my phone when I paused the video to squeeze the lemons into the cup, apparently my phone decided that I wanted to cut the recording right there. So that's why I was not able to show you completely about how or what I did before. Alright, so now the recipe calls, or the experiment calls for 1 tablespoon of this baking soda. Alright, it can be it can be any type of baking soda, but I happen to choose the classic Arm & Hammer. Alright, now dish soap. So you just want 1 teaspoon of it in there. Alright, that should be plenty right there. Oops, I didn't capture it. But that should be plenty of dish soap and baking soda in that cup right there. Alright, so now we have to mix it up. But I have to be very careful with this since this is my only last clean glass. Alright, so it does feel a little bit kind of goopy, if you get what I'm saying, since it's baking soda with dish soap. Alright, so I know you didn't come here to learn about chemistry, but I want to kind of explain something quickly, alright? So this is, right here, is going to be our base. Basically, the thing that is high in pH, or has a high pH level. Which means like it's more pure and less acidic than this lime juice, which is higher in pH, that is lower in pH, and it's more acidic. Alright. So now we are able to pour this lime juice into here. So let's see what happens. Should be able to fizz up a lot. Or at least it should fizz a lot. Alright, so yeah, you can see it did fizz up a little bit. It actually, oh wow, actually did foam up quite a lot. But yeah, it did foam up a pretty good amount. You just have to stir it up a little more in order to get it out of the little sides from the bottom of the glass. You can just kind of see right there. And oh wow, holy cow! Look at all this foam. So yeah, this basically looks kind of like a foamy toothpaste, or kind of like that. Kind of like it kind of looks kind of foamy actually. So yeah, that is what happens if you mix dish soap, baking soda, and lime juice together. So it will increase a lot more when like over time, but as of right now, it's only been about a minute, and this is how much is already foamed up. So bye for now, walkers.